Hey, welcome to Stock Informer, your go-to for cutting through the market noise. Today, March 24th, 2025, at 9:14 a.m. PDT, we've got a tech-fueled firestorm breaking, and I'm breaking it down with the latest data you need to stay ahead. Trump's tariff rollback and AI breakthroughs are lighting up the boards. Let's dive in. Markets are ripping this morning, and tech's in the driver's seat. The Nasdaq's up 2%, leading the pack, while the S&P 500 is gaining nearly 1.5 spies, jumping from Friday's 563.98 close to around 570 to pre-market, tracking last week's real-time peak at 572.733. The Dow's not far behind, up 1.2%, over 400 points to 42,573.19 by midday ed. What's the spark? Late Sunday reports say Trump's April 2nd tariffs are shrinking, targeting just the dirty 15 trade offenders, not the broad chip and car hits we braced for. The S&P 500 eased 10% off its February high of 6,132, but today's snapping a 4-week losing streak with gusto. 60 of its stocks are above their 50-day moving average, per Deutsche Bank. Nvidia is the headline act. Shares are up 2.3% pre-market, riding a double-boost tariff relief for chips and AI heat from Jack Ma's Ant Group in China. Ant's training cheaper AI models with AMD chips and local tech, not Nvidia's pricier band exports, Jensen Huang said last week at GTC. This means bigger computing demand, not less. AMD's flying too, up 3% pre-market, and Meta's rocking a 3% gain after dodging an $800 million AI startup buyout headache. The Nasdaq's tech surge isn't just noise. SPY's daily high last week hit 572.96, and we could punch past 580 today if this holds. The VIX Fear Index is dipping from 19 point to risk is back on. There's a flip side though. Trump's slapping 25% tariffs on countries buying Venezuela's oil or gas come April 2. WTI and Brent are up over 1% today. That's a geopolitical wrinkle, but markets are too busy cheering tariff clarity. Futures popped pre-market, with Nasdaq 100 up 1.4%, S&P 500 at 1.1%, Dow at 0.9%. The 10-year Treasuries at 4.29%, up a hair, and S&P Global's PMI shows Q1 growth at a soft 1.5%, down from 2.3% last quarter. Goldman Sachs still flags a 1% GDP hit if tariffs creep back, but today's all-tech, all-rally Ant's AI move and Trump's pivot are the perfect combo. What's your play today? SPY's at 572 and climbing. Tech's momentum could push it to 580, but watch that Venezuela tariff wildcard. Are you riding this wave or cashing out? Drop your take in the comments, I'm all ears. Like this if it's keeping you sharp, subscribe to Stock Informer, and hit the bell for daily breakdowns. See you tomorrow. Stay ahead, stay informed.